Hey there, rock stars, and welcome. I recently had a request for this specific, kind of like a little mini combo that you can throw into your dancing. And I really wanted to go over with everyone, bit by bit, how you work your way up to this. So there are 4 movements that we are going to be using to create this fun little moment. It's so quick, but you have to use all these movements. So we have the shimmy with the hips. So it's just a regular old hip shimmy. I'm using my legs, no glutes. We have the shoulder shimmy, where we're just pressing our shoulders forward and back, faster. We have an undulation up to down. We have an undulation down to up. Now we only have to do one single undulation. We don't have to undulate and undulate and undulate. One at a time. So let's start by warming up our shimmies. Let's get into our legs. All right. Let's warm up those hip shimmies. And even when we're just warming up, we are always holding a beautiful, elegant frame so we don't practice like T-Rex arms. All right, get that shimmy going. Make it nice and relaxed. Don't tense up too much. It will make this so much harder. Breathe. Inhale. And exhale. And inhale. And exhale. Good. Just a few more seconds here, and then we're going to switch to our shoulder shimmies. Nice and relaxed, right? You're not tensing up and holding it. All right, let's bring this into our shoulders. So stop the hips, start the shoulders. And it can be any size that you want. Shoulders. Breathing, make sure you're not rounding out your back. Yeah, just rock out with it. Nice and loose and relaxed. Good, so now let's alternate. We'll do 4 counts of hip shimmy, and then we'll automatically stop those hips and do 4 counts of our shoulders. All right? And then 4 counts and 4 counts and 4 counts and 4 counts. And we'll just alternate between lower body shimmy and upper body shimmy. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, and hips. 2, 3, 4, and shoulders. 2, 3, 4, and hips. 2, 3, 4, and shoulders. 2, 3, 4, and hips. 2, 3, 4, and shoulders. 2, 3, 4, and hips. 2, 3, 4, shoulders. And hips. And shoulders. Hips. Shoulders. Hips. Shoulders. And relax. Good. So we have got a bit of practice switching between the hip shimmy and the shoulder shimmy. Now let's get some practice switching between up, roll down, and down, roll up. All right. Make sure we have our directions cemented in our head. Up, roll down. Down, roll up. Up, roll down. Down, roll up. Down, 4, 2, and up. 4, 2, roll down. 4, 2, roll up. 4, 2, roll down. 4, 2, roll up. for 2, roll down, for 2, roll up, for 2. Are you breathing normally? Not relying on your breath when you lift the ribs? Let's inhale. And exhale. And inhale. And exhale. Good. Roll down, roll it up, roll it down, roll it up, roll it down, roll it up. Elevator goes down, elevator goes up, down. Roll it up, roll it down, roll it up, roll it down. Breathing, relaxing, not tensing. Two more. Last one. Good, shake it out. So now we're going to combine everything together. So we're going to do hip shimmy. 1, 2, 3, 4. Down, roll, up. So when I'm up, I'm actually going to hold my upper body nice and lifted and then begin the shoulders here. So you don't want to do roll down, roll up, and then kind of collapse in on yourself. Let's hold it nice and lifted and confident. Good. And then we will roll it back down. Let's think about timing. So the down roll up and the up roll down will happen very quickly. So it'll be more like a half count instead of 1 and. It will just be the and. 1, 2, 3, 4, down roll up, and 1, 2, 3, 4, up roll down, and. So it's real quick. Let's actually switch that. So let's make this an 8 count drill just so you know when we're doing hips and when we're doing shoulders a little better. So we will do 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, roll down, hips, 2, 3, 4, roll up, shoulders, 6, 7, 8, roll down, 1, 2, 3, 4, roll up, 5, 6, 7, 8, roll down, 1, 2, 3, 4, roll up, 5, 6, 7, 8, roll down, 1, 2, 3, 4, roll up, 6, 7, 8, roll down, 1, 2, 3, 4, roll up, 5, 6, 7, 8, roll down, 1, 2, 3, 4, roll up, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right. So this next part is more of a add it if you got it kind of a thing. So we are going to start by doing a little bit of a drill here. All right, let's get those hip shimmies going. And we're going to add down roll up consistently without stopping our shimmy. You ready? Here we go. Down, roll up, down, roll up, down, roll up, and hold. Down, roll, hold. We're actively holding right now for drill purposes, so we can take it into our shoulders. Down, roll, hold. Down, roll, hold. Down, roll, hold. Are you relaxing? Are you breathing normally? Instead of just inhaling with the up. Down, roll, up. Down, roll, up. Good. Release. So now let's do that same idea with the shoulder shimmy, but now we're going to be adding an up, roll, down. up, roll, down. Get the shoulder shimmy going. We got this. Here we go. And it's up, roll, down. 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 Up, roll down. Up, roll down. Up, roll down. Breathing normally. Not locking up in our shoulders. Being nice and relaxed. A few more here. 5, 6, 7, shake it out. Good. So now to make this really smooth, get really slick with it, we are going to shimmy with the down roll up instead of shimmy, down roll up, shimmy, up roll down, shimmy. That's perfectly fine too. That's a great variation. But just for funsies, let's go ahead and not stop our shimmy. Whether it's hip or shoulder, we want it to be like it's just ping-ponging from one shimmy to the other instead of shimmy, stop, shimmy, stop. All right, let's start with the hip. 4 counts, and 4 counts, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and shoulders. 2, 3, 4, and shimmy. 2, 3, 4, and shoulders. 2, 3, 4, and hips. 2, 3, 4, nice and seamless. And 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm going to stop talking now. I know I'm so bad at that. I want you to just feel it out. Just roll with it. Woo! How you doing? So if you want to get a little fancier with it, you want to add a little something extra, you can add another movement. On top of the shimmy. There's always room to play. Two, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and release. Great job. That is my shimmy transfer. If you have any questions, please let me know. Otherwise, go forth, have fun, practice, and I'll see you next time. Bye, dancers.